Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, I'm thanking you this time for tuning into my 3121st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, this video is coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Sunday through Monday. That's August 17th, 2026. Please know that trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops. Always put them in first on any platform that allows it. If you have a platform that doesn't allow it, make sure you're not trading futures. That's a bad thing for you. Make sure if you're trading futures, you're placing stops. Risky, risky, risky. All right, stocks, you name it. Place a stop in anything that you can. All right, for trading on Monday, welcome to livewithoscar.com. Traders, let's get moving. For trading on Monday, we've got Omni goes neutral. So here's what it did. We had the bull flag. Omni started getting bullish. Omni was bullish again on Friday. We had the bull flag breakout. But on Sunday night, I should say here Thursday, Friday, we had the bull flag breakout. And Sunday night for Monday, the Omni goes neutral. This is where we sit looking right now. And Omni said, Oscar, back off on the indices. Now, we're looking at a situation where we had a big old pennant. This whole thing is a big pennant. And we had a pennant breakout, which led into a bull flag. And then we had a bull flag breakout. None of this is bearish at all whatsoever. And the Omni's neutral. It certainly isn't bearish. We're getting out of bull flags. We should move higher. We'll see what the Omni wants to do tomorrow. We'll take it one day at a time. What else are we looking at out there? The Omni does like some other markets like the Euro. The Omni's liking currencies. Euro is an Oscarism, if you will, known as the F flag, and that is this thing right here. This F flag should produce a breakout to the upside, or at least it should continue running upward. And that's what we like about F flags. They may last for a long time, but they usually move higher. So it looks like the Euro is trying to move higher, and watch the opposite of all this. And that would be this guy right here. The almighty US dollar, traders. It's the opposite of the Euro right now. It is in a big bear flag, which usually produces a market drop. So, dollar looking bearish. Euro looking bullish. Stock market looking slightly neutral. We like grains as well. They look kind of nice too. Like looking at soybeans, wheat, corn. That stuff looks pretty good too. Euro looks good. Dollar doesn't look so good. And we'll see about what Omni wants to do during the trading day on Monday for the U.S. indices. It's starting off with a neutral Omni. Traders, Omni Camp's coming soon. It's just under a month left now. It's like 3 weeks to go in September. If you've been on the fence and thinking about camp, this is your moment. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out those applications. I've got a lot of preparation to do before you get here, so you've got to let me know if you're coming. You can't keep thinking about it, all right? OmniBootcamp.com. Go there now. Fill out your Omni Bootcamp forms. Call me at 702-629-4755. Make sure you do that if you don't want to fill out your bootcamp application. Or if you're anxious and you fill out the app, call me anyway, 702-629-4755. As time's ticking, I've got to get ready for you. All right, traders, so we'll go back here, and we're going to say that the E-mini S&P is telling us that, it's probably okay to buy the dips on Monday. We'll let that go one day at a time. You never know. I might come out with an Oscarism buying the dips on Monday, but there are other markets I've shown you that look interesting, so maybe we'll go shopping there if we don't get a dip in the E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russ. For now, Omni's neutral there. We'll see what Oscar wants to do. The other markets, the Omni's dead on. We'll follow what the Omni says, of course. All right, traders, that's what I wanted to show you for now. Please like and share these videos. Do that now. Like them. If you haven't subscribed, if you're just hearing me for the first time, please subscribe to these videos. It really helps the algorithms, and it helps me. It allows me to help more people around the world, and allows me to help you. So you can help me help others. just by doing simple things like that. Please do that and come to livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free to you, no credit cards required, and join me in my free live trading room. Speaking of which, I've been working feverishly, my programmers as well, thank you guys, on a brand new chat room for Omni, for Omni trading, for Omni everything that we do, for your OMNIPHOENIX token holders. We're getting a brand new chat room. I've been building it out for a long time now, and we're testing it all weekend. I've been testing it, and I'm going to need your help testing the brand new chat room. More about that as soon as I can turn it loose on you guys. I'll let you test it out with me, but it's going to be great. It's going to be much better than the one we have now, and I promise you this, one click and you'll be in there instead of showing up thinking there's no one in the room, showing up again 2 or 3 times till you finally see the crowd. That's a weird glitch we can't seem to work out with the current chat room. The new chat room, forget about that stuff. All fixed up, lots of great features. You're going to love it. Please make sure you help me test it. Hopefully by tomorrow night, I'll be able to give you the address and let you go there and test it and join my chat room. And then, try to blow it up. That's the thing. We want to test every bell and whistle. We want to hit every button. We want to see where the bugs are, if there are any, and get them all corrected in our first couple of days. I've been doing that for the last 10 days. I'll need your help in the next couple. Thank you so much, traders. Remember, join me at livewithoscar.com, and remember this. Stop, sir. Emotions rock and roll traders. Meet me at livewithoscar.com. Remember, I'm streaming live on YouTube, on Twitter, on Facebook, all over the place, and in my live trading room. Hang out with me there. I will see you at livewithoscar.com.